A paralegal secretary attached to a prominent law firm in Kingston was shot and killed while driving along Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew on Thursday morning. She has been identified as 63-year-old Sandra Risden of Bryan Hill District in Cook River, Clarendon, and Kingston. Risden was attached to the law firm Nunes, Schofield, DeLeon and Company. The incident happened shortly before 7 at the intersection of Zadie Gardens and Washington Boulevard and caused a pileup of traffic. Preliminary reports indicate Risden was inside her motor vehicle when she was ambushed by two men traveling on a Jamco motorcycle who opened fire, hitting her multiple times. She was rushed to hospital where she was pronounced dead.